welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's your boy again, Savvy FX, and in today's video I'm actually gonna be talking to you guys, or I'm actually gonna be sharing with you guys the one key aspect of trading that a lot of traders actually ignore. And this might be the reason why you're not still profitable in the market, because you actually ignore this concept or this aspect of trading. But before I get into my mentorship, I want to join my Telegram group. The link is gonna be in the description box. If you want to join my Telegram group where I share my own trading signals, set up an idea, the link is gonna be in the description box. Then if you want to join my mentorship, message me on Telegram or Instagram. The link is also gonna be in the description box. So before we get into the video, I actually wanted to share with you guys a short story. When I actually came into forex trading, or was actually introduced into forex trading by my mentor, I didn't know that there was something like trading psychology. But don't click out of this video yet. Listen to this story. I didn't know that there was something like trading psychology. I was just thinking that trading is all about the technicals, like trading strategy. My mentor taught me about support and resistance, and also trendline and Fibonacci. So I went over to YouTube to actually learn more about Fibonacci, support and resistance, and other strategies, supply and demand, trendline. So the thing is that whenever I watch those videos, the traders that are actually explaining that particular strategy or teaching that particular strategy, they do say that whenever you learn a particular strategy in forex, go and backtest it on those pairs you are trading to see if it actually works on those pairs. So what I do is that whenever I learn those strategies, I go over to those pairs I'm trading, maybe GBP USD, Euro USD, or gold. I'm going to go over to those pairs and backtest it. Why? Now it's working on those particular pairs, but I'm not still profitable in the market. Maybe Mr. Harvey or Mr. Jeff, those people are actually huge forex traders in Nigeria. They're using those strategies and those strategies are working for them. But whenever I actually trade with those strategies, maybe on my small live account or my proprietary firm account, I'm always losing. So guys, this is when we need to divert to the next concept or the next aspect, which is the most powerful aspect of trading that actually takes about 80 to 85% or trading as a whole, right? And this is trading psychology. When it comes to trading psychology, we are talking about your emotions, we are talking about discipline. Discipline whenever you're trading. Trading is not all about coming to the chart, analyzing. You need to be a disciplined person in order for you to be profitable, in order for you to gain success in trading. You need to be disciplined, man, because I'm not gonna lie, when I actually came to trading, I was trading everything. Every day was a trading day for me, but I'm not gonna divert. I'm gonna be talking about 3 aspects of trading psychology. The number 1 is FOMO. Number 2 is greed, and number 3 is revenge trading. What is FOMO? FOMO is fear of missing out. A lot of us have actually heard about FOMO, which is fear of missing out. Whenever you trade with fear, guys, you're allowing your emotions get the best of you. And when you allow your emotions get the best of you, you're actually going to make decisions that will actually cost you. You want to actually miss out on that particular opportunity. So you're actually going to jump in with FOMO, and then the trade actually goes against you. You are frustrated. That particular day, instead of you to go off the chart and actually go and do something else, you're going to stay in that particular chart, which leads us to number 2 of the psychology, which is revenge trading. Now, FOMO has made you lose money in forex, or has actually made you lose money that particular day, or another person talks into you. The way my mentor actually explained it for me, he said that there are actually about 3 to 4 persons speaking to you whenever you're trading. So the next person, which is the second person, is actually going to tell you, man, maybe Savvy or maybe Glory, you've actually lost money today. What do you think? You need to make back that particular money. You need to make back that money you actually lost. So this is when you actually get invoked, or this thing actually invokes into you that you should actually make back that money you actually lost that particular day. So you actually trade without confirmation. You revenge your trade. Man, you actually like a lion. You actually want to revenge that on that particular trade. You actually want to make back that money, or even make more on that particular money you actually lost in the market. Maybe when you see an opportunity in the market, you want to revenge. You want to revenge the market. You're not trading with confirmation. You just want to make back that particular money, and maybe you will go off for that particular day. With this mindset of revenging the market, man, there's no point in revenging the market. The market has no emotions, and the market is always right. The market moves anywhere it wants to go. So there is no point, there is no need in revenging the market. But because you want to actually make back that money that FOMO made you lost, you will actually revenge. When you revenge that particular trade, it actually goes against you. Man, you are now frustrated. This isn't like you are not frustrated. Maybe FOMO has made you lose money. You went off the chart. Maybe it tells you you're not, like, just like I tell you, the second person comes to you and tell you, man, you have lost money today. You need to come back. And whenever you come back, you actually try to revenge the market, which is pointless, and then you end up losing money. Now you are not frustrated for that whole day. You might end up taking useless trades but that day is a losing day for you. Why? Because you trade with the wrong emotions. Your psychology is not intact. You didn't trade with discipline. Discipline is very, very important as a trader. Trading doesn't just end when you tap the buy or the sell button. Discipline is actually very, very important. It's a very crucial aspect in life. Discipline. Man, you need to be disciplined in everything you do. Discipline in the way you dress, discipline in the way you talk, discipline in the way you trade, and the way you actually take advantage of opportunities you see in the market. You need to be disciplined. Now the next one is greed. A lot of people just, I'm not gonna lie, when I actually came to trading also, I was actually greedy in the market. Those little profits the market is making me, I don't want to actually make those, I don't want to actually see those kind of profit. I want to aim for more. Whether you're making little profit or whether you're making huge profit, don't be greedy. Anything the market gives to you, take it like that and go. Man, you don't need to be greedy. Another day is another opportunity. There will be another opportunity the next particular day. So what I'm actually going to advise a lot of you guys is that whenever you are trading, actually trade with the right emotion. Trade with discipline. Even though you're trading with emotion, trade less with your emotions. Don't let your emotions get the best of you. What my mentor do tell me is that trade like a robot. A robot doesn't trade with emotions. Whether a robot is winning or losing, a robot won't cry. A robot, right? So trade like a robot or trade with less emotion. Just like I said, not that I don't trade with emotions, but I trade with less emotions. I don't let my emotions get the best of me. So whenever I start thinking like this, I'm going to actually recommend a book for you guys, which is Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. You guys should go and read his book. I'm just talking about trading psychology. Maybe if you guys like this type of content, maybe you guys should maybe leave a comment in the comment section. I hope you've actually learned something from this video. I'm actually going to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to join my Telegram group. Peace out.